Hi you guys, it's your girl Tonia and I am back with another video. So this is part 2 of the series that I have going on with easy holiday glam party looks. I felt like this one was a super easy one to do. It doesn't take any time hardly and any effort. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. I was inspired by a picture that I saw of Kylie Jenner this morning on Instagram, and I was like, ooh, I can recreate that but put an extra little pop to it and it would be beautiful. So for my women over 40 for sure. So if you guys are interested in how I got this makeup look for holiday party glam, stay right here. Okay, so you guys, so I got inspired this morning when I saw this look on Kylie Jenner. It was a makeup artist did it on her, and if I can link that in the description box, if I can find it again so I can show you guys, it would be amazing. So I will try to do that for you guys. So it was really a pretty look, and I thought, man, that's simple and that would look so good if I just kind of tweak it just a little bit to make it work for me, and I could do that for one of my holiday looks. So as you can see, everything else is done. Brows are done. Everything, all part of the complexion done. We're just going to go into the eyes. So I'm going to do a wing liner with this look. And it's going to be super simple. It's not going to take a lot of steps. I'm super excited about it because it does not take a lot of steps. So I'm going to grab my ColourPop Shayla Perception palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Culture, which is this shade right here. It kind of looks like a lid shade. So I'm just going to take that, and I am going to take that across my lid just to even out the shade, even though I've already prepped the eye for it, just to kind of even out. And so I'm just going to put this on the lid, kind of to set it and to do kind of a transition. So yeah, that's perfect. That did exactly what I wanted it to do. And I don't know why my dogs are barking. Probably because I'm filming a video. So that is perfect. That did exactly what I wanted it to do for this look. This look is super simple. Like, I only put one shadow across the whole part of my eye, and then that's it. That's all I'm doing for this look. Like, and next I'm gonna do a liner. Yeah, that looks good. So I wanted to zoom in for you guys, and I'm gonna use my Shayla and ColourPop Perception palette. I'm just going to use a fluffy e.l.f. brush that I have, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Culture. I'm just going to just put this on my lid, all over the lid. This is probably going to be the only shade that I'm going to use, and I like it because it's really like a skin tone sort of color, and I just want to kind of give my lids a little bit of my skin tone color. I did put a little concealer on there as well. So I swear every time I record a video, I'm just like running up the steps. So I'm just going to take this brush here, doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to kind of blend out everything, make sure it's all blended. If there's anything extra to kind of go in the crease, but I just want it like this. This is perfect right here. So next I'm going to go in with the Catrice, and I'm actually going to use the Catrice gel eyeliner. I've been using this. There we go. I've been using this for quite some time now. I really like it as a liner. I think it's pretty amazing. It's really soft, goes on really good, and it lasts all freaking day. You can get it at Ulta for like $6, something like that. So it's not that expensive, but I really like it. So I'm just going to take a liner brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and I'm just going to line my lash line. And I'm actually going to start like in the middle here, because from the picture, do something on my lid. From the picture it looked like that she didn't really do a lot with the liner. I think she didn't make it so wide back up here. So I'm gonna make it a little bit more wider and defined, but and I think I'm just gonna go up that high on it and kind of come back down. Now I'm just gonna fill it in where it needs to get filled in at. Then I'm gonna kind of go, see, I missed a spot. I'm gonna go up just a little bit more. Okay, so I have filled in that eye. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because it's kind of hard for me to do a liner on camera and still engage. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. So I am back. I have lined both sides of the eyes. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a white pencil. And actually I'm gonna kind of probably smoke out my lower lash line. I like to do that with any makeup look that I do. I wasn't gonna do it for this one, but I think I'm gonna smoke it out just a little bit. So I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetic brush again, and I'm gonna go in the palette, the Brown Sugar palette from ColourPop and Karuchi, and I'm gonna take the shade Sorrel and Jamocha and put that on my lower lash. I'm just gonna mix the two together, tap it out, and just gonna smoke it out a little bit on the lower lash line. Just to add a little bit of extra drama to the lash line. And I'm not going to take it all the way across because I need this area right here in the inner corner to kind of be clear. So I'm just going to take this about 3/4 of the lid. Just going to take Jamocha just in there, just on the edge, and just kind of smoke it out a little bit more. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna take a white pencil. You can use any white pencil that you have. NYX has a good one. This one is just a LA Girl one. So I'm just gonna take that one and I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna trace this area where I left open here in the inner corner. And I'm just gonna kind of go in of this white in the inner V. And I want that inner V to be really defined there. So it should look a little bit like this. I'm actually going to go in and kind of pop that out a little bit more. So it should look like that. Then I'm going to take a yellow shade from NYX. Both of the shades that I'm using today are from NYX. And This one here is called Shut the Fuck Up. I'm going to use that one first over top of the white. And then I'm also going to use this color here, which is also from NYX, and it's called Gilded. And it's more of a shimmer yellow. And let me kind of just put them up there so you guys can see it. So it's more of matte, this is more shimmer. So I'm going to use those shades in that inner corner as well. Alright, so I'm going to take another BH Cosmetics brush here, and I'm going to go in with the matte shade first. And it's pretty, it's got a lot of kick up in the pan, but that's alright. We're going to make this work. So I'm just going to tap it into that area where I put the white. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to do the other side as well. And I'm just patting the shade into it because I don't want, it's got a lot of fallout. But I want it to be pretty much precise in where I want it to go. Okay. And I'm just kind of tapping it on it because I want a little bit of bling. I feel like this is a really cute look for a holiday party. Like, man, this is cute. Trying to get this little piece of my face. There you go. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the shade Gilded. And I'm going to use my brush. And I'm going to pack the color onto the brush. Which I'm just using a pencil brush. I feel like that works really good for it. I'm also going to take, since it's more of a shimmer shade, I'm going to take my Fix Plus and kind of spray the brush such so it gives it, it'll have a little bit of a wet feel, so to give it a little bit more foily like, which is why I think it's perfect for holiday, because the foil makes it look all shimmery and honey. To me, that's the best part of holiday, is that you can do shimmer eye looks and it looks good. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. I'm actually liking that a little too much. That looks, and that just made it like pop out that much more. So yeah, this is a perfect look for holiday. And the fact that there's shimmer on top of it, oh yeah, that is pretty. Honey, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, put some mascara on, and I will be back to do the lips, and we will be complete with this second look. Okay, so lashes are on. I did put a little bit of liner on my lower lash line, and I did use the ColourPop Brown Sugar collection. And this is the It's called Rum, and I use that in my waterline on my lower lash line. I'm sorry, you guys. I have been loving this collection, and I probably have utilized every product in it at least one time a day. So I have really been liking it. You guys, if you can get your hands on it, it is beautiful for women of color. Why? You guys know that's a regular thing. So I just want to kind of do a little bit more on my cheeks. I do have a highlighter on, but I wanted to use the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter in the color Monumental. And this is kind of blinding a little bit, but it has like a gold top, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it is amazing. And it looks so pretty on my vanity. I don't use it a lot because this is what it looks like. It has a lot of kind of glitter type particles in it, which I'm okay with that, especially for the holiday. So I find that using this, I'll put a little bit on my hand from the top because don't feel like it needs a lot. That's what it looks like. It came in 2 shades too. This one and a rose gold. I opted for the gold more so than the rose gold just because I felt like that one would work a little bit better. The other one just looked like pink on my skin. So I kind of warm it up on my hand right here, and I'll take my brush, which I am going to use. I don't even remember what brush I used for it. I feel like I used that brush for something else now. But I'm going to use this brush here, which is just a small tapered brush, and I'm just going to kind of tap it into there. So it picks up a little bit of product, but kind of tap it onto my cheek. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. I feel like this is perfect for holiday. I'm going to do just a little bit on my nose. Just a little bit. I'm actually going to get just a little bit here. I don't like my nose to be too like blinding, but this stuff here is just like so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I keep like so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I said, I did add lashes. These are the Lily lashes, Mykonos. I've been wearing these things like crazy. I have a video up about these lashes and a dupe for them that's like hella cheap. But I do love these lashes a lot. They're so pretty. Oh my god. And I felt like I needed a dramatic lash for the eye because the eye is the focal point of this look. So I'm going to do a nude lip, I think, with this because I want the eyes to be the focal. So I'm going to line my lips with Mahogany, NYX Mahogany pencil. I'm going to line my lips with that, and I'm also going to put on NYX liquid lipstick in the color Sandstorm. So I need to just grab that and I'll be right back. Alright dolls, this is the overall look. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed doing it for you. I think this is a look that anybody can do. I think it's perfect for holiday parties because it just gives you that pop of color where you need it. And it's easy to do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Share, like, subscribe, all of the above. If you guys have not already subscribed, go ahead and do so and hit the bell. That way whenever I put out new reviews, you guys will be the first to know. I do makeup reviews, I do tutorials, and I also do wig reviews. In case you're interested, I will link some of those videos at the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You could have went to anyone else's channel, but you decided to come here. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.